Hi, today in this video we show you how to create a new pair of paper earrings. In this case we will use two different pieces of paper, and then we will add a bead. Okay, let's get started to create this nice and beautiful earring. We will need to use two different pieces of paper, one in pink and the other one in pale pink and pink. Okay, we will need to cut two strips of paper, and they will be 1 centimeter wide, each of them. Okay, you can cut your I used a A4 piece of paper, and then I trace my 1 centimeter, and then I cut the paper. I will show you how I did it. Okay, you will need a pencil. You will trace your centimeter here, and along here the paper, okay, and here, and then you can cut your paper, your two pieces of paper together in this way, and then using a cutter knife you will cut your two paper strips so they will be the same. Okay, voila, here our strips. Now we will need to round them, and then we will start with the pale pink one. Better to use at the beginning. We can use something like this, our nail polish, that we will use to cover our earring. Okay, but I will show you at the end. If you want, you can leave the earring as it is. Okay, we will round around here. Okay, now some glue. Okay, okay, now we will need to glue the other one. Okay, apply some glue, and then we will start from here, and we will do the same. Okay, here our finished earring. Now we will need to apply some glue. Okay, okay, just a second. Press down. Okay, here our paper circle. Now, if you want, you can leave it in this way, but I prefer to cover the two pieces of paper with the nail polish. Okay, we will need to create our drop, and we can do in this way. Here, our paper drop. It's quite easy. Okay. Now, in order to cover our paper drop, we will need a piece of acetate. Okay, or something in plastic. Okay, and we will cover inside and outside our paper drop. Okay, now we have covered our paper drop, and then we will leave it to dry. Okay. Okay, now our paper drop is ready, and then we will need to add the bead and the other part in order to create our earring. Okay, we will need to create a hole in this place here. We will need to punch a hole. Okay, and then from the outside okay, then we will need to put together. You can choose the bead that you prefer. Okay, now we will need to pass through inside here in order to hang our bead. Okay, and then we will create finish our earring in this way. Okay, voila, our second earring is ready. They are ready, and I think they are quite nice. They are the right and ideal earrings for this spring, and they are quite easy to make. You can create them in many different colors and many different ways. I hope you enjoyed this video and this paper creation. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another paper creation. Wow, these earrings are quite nice. See you, bye bye.